Camping trips offer a chance to reconnect with nature and create unforgettable memories, but having the right gear can truly elevate your experience. In this video, we'll explore 7 survival gear and gadgets designed to enhance every aspect of your outdoor adventure. Each item showcases the latest advancements in camping technology, ensuring your next trip is both comfortable and convenient. Get ready to discover how these tools will transform your camping experience. The HX Outdoors Extra Sharp Bushcraft Knife offers a compelling survival package for adventure people. The blade is made from stainless steel, which is a good degree of sharpness and durability. The sturdy handle combines plastic and TPR for a secure, non-slip grip, while the integrated fire starter adds a crucial survival element. The included plastic sheath ensures safe storage and even features a sharpener for on-the-go maintenance. This versatile knife is well suited for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts, functioning well for cutting, carving, and various camp tasks. The Wayland Tactical Knife cites itself as a versatile outdoor companion. Its Tanto point blade with a serrated edge and integrated gut hook cater specifically to hunting needs, while the full-tang construction ensures durability for heavy-duty camping and hiking tasks. This tactical knife also finds its place as a capable Boy Scout knife thanks to its manageable size and practical features. Made from 3 CR13 stainless steel, the blade offers a balance of affordability and functionality. An upgraded Moly sheath with secure carry options rounds out the package, making this a well-suited choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a robust and adaptable fixed-blade knife. The Proster IP65 hiking compass offers a robust and feature-packed navigation tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Its built-in clinometer allows for height and slope measurement, while the sighting telescope and vertical lubber line enhance reading accuracy. The luminous compass card and arrow provide nighttime visibility after sufficient sun exposure, ensuring reliable guidance even in low-light conditions. This multifunctional compass boasts a durable metal build, a waterproof and shake-proof design, and a foldable lid for protection. Packed with features and capable of withstanding harsh conditions, the Proster IP65 hiking compass is a valuable companion for camping, climbing, hiking, and various other outdoor adventures. The MRF Universal 3.0 is a credit card-sized multi-tool designed with everyday functionality and survival situations in mind. Its innovative design packs over 60 tools into a compact and portable format. This versatile tool can transform into a handy knife for cutting, sharpening, and even food preparation. The handle allows for comfortable use and doubles as a bit driver and bottle opener. Additionally, a modular system further expands its capabilities. This pocket-sized powerhouse provides impressive durability, tackling tasks like cutting branches and small trees. It even allows for the creation of a makeshift survival axe using a stick and paracord. While not TSA approved due to the blade, its compact size and diverse functionalities make it a valuable addition to any EDC kit. The Vulcan Titanium Canteen Military Mess Kit offers a lightweight and durable solution for outdoor dining and hydration. The 1100 milliliter titanium canteen provides ample water storage, while the included 750 milliliters and 400 milliliters stackable cups function as cooking pots and serving dishes. Everything nests neatly within the included mole carrying case for convenient transport. This mess kit excels in durability, being dishwasher safe and scratch resistant despite its uncoated titanium construction. While the included carrying case might have some minor quality concerns, the overall package remains a compelling choice for backpackers, campers, and anyone seeking a long-lasting and versatile mess kit for outdoor adventures. The Lifesaver filtering can is a powerhouse water purification solution designed for heavy-duty use. This robust container filters up to 20,000 liters of water, removing 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, cysts, and parasites without requiring chemicals or boiling. Its simple pump mechanism makes operation effortless, while the durable construction ensures reliable performance in challenging environments. While the larger size might be less backpack-friendly, the Lifesaver filtering can excel for base camps, group expeditions, or emergency preparedness. It offers peace of mind and safe drinking water in even the most remote or disaster-stricken areas, making it a valuable tool for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and anyone prioritizing water safety. The Leatherman Sidekick is a pocket-sized powerhouse, packing 14 essential tools into a compact and user-friendly design. This multi-tool lives up to its name, offering a versatile range of functionalities like knives, pliers, screwdrivers, a saw, and even a bottle opener, all readily accessible. Its outside accessible blades and spring-action jaws allow for smooth, one-handed operation, while the comfortable handles ensure a secure grip. Backed by Leatherman's renowned 25-year warranty and crafted from durable stainless steel, the Sidekick is a reliable companion for everyday tasks, DIY projects, or light outdoor adventures. Its compact size and included sheath make it easily portable, making it a valuable addition to any pocket or backpack. Okay, that was our list of 7 survival gear and gadgets for your next camping trip. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful.